Hey guys, Scott from Realistic Outdoors. I know what some of you are thinking. Hey, aren't you the guy from Breaking Bad? Yeah, no. I host the fishing show Realistic Outdoors, which you could find links of to click through if you haven't seen them already. But some of you guys have written in and asked me, what are the meals that you take when you hike into some of these places? And I thought about making this series and showing you guys my top five. The top five that I like to take in camping. Beef stroganoff, pad thai, minestrone, soup, shepherd's pie, and then like a spaghetti or something easy, mac and cheese. But I'm going to show you in this series how to dehydrate them all, and I'm going to try and keep up to date with, because I haven't filmed any of the rehydration videos except maybe a couple. I think I did the beef stroganoff when I was out fishing this last trip, and I did the pad thai. But I am going to do the minestrone right away, so you'll find that there as well. I'll try and keep you guys up to date. But there's going to be some tips you want to stay tuned for and click through, like making plain Greek yogurt powder that you can use in place for creams in your like beef stroganoffs. You can use it in your granolas as well. I prefer to use vanilla. I have a very detailed series on making jerky. Excellent jerky. So click through on that to see how to do the jerky. Start to finish, how to make the cuts, how to prepare. The importance of long-term sealing stuff. So if you're packing 3-4 months in advance, like we probably will for this next big trip, we're going to be doing a 120-kilometer hike deal into some awesome waterfalls. So we'll be doing these in advance with the O2 packs. We can talk about the O2 packs. Some trail snacks like the jerky and this vanilla granola yogurt mix. Nice little crunch, some good protein. And if I'm doing something that's coming up in the next couple of weeks, like this minestrone soup, I like to just put them in a vacuum sealed bag. We'll talk about the different types of rehydration because different stoves are for different applications. So we'll get into some of that. So if you've seen any of the stuff that you like here, the jerky or the stroganoff or the pad thai or anything like that, click through, watch the videos, and enjoy and learn to pack light. Like this stuff weighs like 3 ounces. It's gonna make a huge dinner. Stay tuned, click through. And if, by the way, if you like anything that you've seen here today, appreciate it very much if you give this video a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, because I am going to do a lot more of these now that I've started. Dehydrated turkey. You know all that turkey you waste at the end of Christmas goes bad? Dehydrate, put it in your soups. Click through. See you soon.